Hello guys, today we're gonna be doing the moving average crossover. We're gonna be testing if it really works, and then we're gonna firstly put the indicator on the chart, the moving average. We're gonna make the 12th one, which is commonly used, and then we put it red and increase thickness so that it becomes even more visible, and then we change the color to at least a color which is not being used. We can use white there, and then you can see the moving average is there. Then this will be our first moving average. Then we're gonna go for the next one, which is gonna be our slow moving average. Then on our slow moving average, we're gonna put at least, let's say 29, and then we change the color. You can change it to, let's say, green, and then you can see it there. So our strategy is based on the crosses. Whenever the moving average, the first moving average cross to the above, we buy, and then whenever it crosses to below, we are going to sell. So let's make our robot first for this moving average, and then we test it. And then we come here. It's simple. All we gotta do is come here and say for as long as there's no position, and we put our condition, and then we link it there, and then our first moving average we set 12, our slow will put it 27. So when it crosses above, we are going to do what? To buy. Then we set our lot sizes, let's say 0.01, and our stop loss, let's use a percent of the price at that particular level, of which you can say 0.55, or we can just say 0.1 the price. Then our take profit, let's not put take profit there, we will close with trading condition. We'll just make a trailing stop loss, and then it will trail all the way. That's our buy condition. Then we can copy this, and then we make our sell condition, because it's just vice versa. Then we come here, we'll say when it crosses to below, we update. When it crosses to below, we are going to sell. Then our lot size we set 0.001, and then there stop loss we set percentage of the price, we said 0.1, and no take profit. Then our closing condition, let's use a trailing stop. It's always best to use a trailing stop rather than to minimize the profit that we can accumulate. So we're going to check how many positions are open. Then once the positions are open, they are greater than 0 or equals to 0. 0 in programming language means 1, so it's gonna start trailing. We're not gonna trail through pips, we're gonna trail using an indicator called parabolic RSA. And then here let's trail every 10%, and then we say okay. Then we download our robot. That's it. Then we double click, it's gonna come there. Then we put it in our strategy tester. We're gonna use 5 minutes time frame like we were using there, and then we're gonna use leverage of 1:1000, and then we're gonna put the display on so that you see how it behaves. Then we start. Then if you check there, this is our strategy tester. It's loading. It's downloading some data for us. Okay, it's too fast, but already look at the balance and what it did. Here it crossed above, and then it bought, and then look here, it crossed below, and then we trailed using that. Then look at that, it crossed to below, and then we trailed using the parabolic RSA. Here if you check, the stop loss was closer with the parabolic RSI. Okay, you check there. These are the disadvantages of using crossover of moving average, because they cross late. If you check, they cross very late. Look at this, it crossed here, but look where the market was already at that particular time. So there are gonna be circumstances where when you check, you will see that this moving average crossover doesn't really work when you want to scalp, because it puts you inside the trades late. Because look at this, it's crossing for a sell here when the market started selling some time back. Guys, if you have a strategy tester that you also want me to test, then you can comment it on the comments, then we'll make it here on the channel and then you'll see how it behaves. Okay, we could also optimize this and make it even maybe better, but the chances are it will never be